Hello guys, in this video I'm going to create pop-up form in System.io landing page. Pop-up forms are forms that are designed to pop off and over your website. So this is very important to collect leads from your potential visitors. So this is very important, either you are using funnel, either you are using landing page, any kind of landing pages you are using. Pop-up forms are very important to capture the leads of potential customer, buyers, or maybe potential visitors. So in this video I'm going to create a step-by-step pop-up form for your portfolio website using System.io funnel tool builder. Stay tuned, let's get started now. First of all, just log in into System.io funnel builder tool. Select the theme and template for the website. I have already created the website, so I'm just going to create pop-up form in the existing website or existing landing pages. Just follow the step-by-step approach of creating pop-up form in this video. If you have any doubt, you have any question, feel free to ask through comment box, and please follow my step-by-step process. Whatever the video I have published, just follow the process. You will get idea, and you can also able to create such kind of landing pages, funnels, pop-up forms, banners, images, videos, anything. That's it guys. I hope you like this video, and this video adds some valuable information in your freelancing life. So if you like to watch similar kind of powerful strategy and more information about the landing pages, funnels, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, freelancing, then feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for regular updates. Please do comment on comment box if you like our videos. Thank you so much.